When your GE dishwasher has complete power loss, it shows no signs of life whatsoever. No lights illuminate on the control panel, no sounds occur when pressing buttons, and there's absolutely no response to any input. Step 1 is checking your home's circuit breaker. Locate the breaker that controls your dishwasher. It's typically rated for 15 to 20 amps. Look for any breaker that appears to be in the tripped position, which means it's moved partway between on and off. Step 2 involves checking the GFCI outlet. These special outlets have test and reset buttons and are commonly found in kitchens for safety. If the GFCI has tripped, the reset button will be popped out. Simply press it back in until it clicks and stays pressed. Step 3 is performing a hard reset. Disconnect all power to the dishwasher for exactly 5 minutes. You can do this by either unplugging the unit or turning off its circuit breaker. This allows the control board to fully reset and clear any temporary faults. Step 4 is verifying the door latch. The dishwasher door must be completely closed, and the latch must be properly engaged for power to flow to the unit. A faulty or misaligned door latch is a common cause of complete power loss. Make sure the door closes firmly and you hear the latch click into place. These 4 basic troubleshooting steps resolve 68% of complete power loss issues without requiring any part replacement or professional service. Most problems are simply external electrical issues that can be fixed by the homeowner. When your GE dishwasher has some lights working or a responsive control panel but won't start a cycle, you're dealing with a partial power issue. This indicates problems with internal components rather than complete electrical failure. The first step is to re-verify the door latch. Even if the door appears closed, the latch mechanism might not be engaging properly, preventing the dishwasher from starting its cycle. If the door latch checks out, the next suspect is the thermal fuse. This safety device cuts power if the dishwasher overheats and is a common failure point, especially in older models. To test the thermal fuse, you'll need a multimeter to check for continuity. A blown fuse will show no continuity and must be replaced. Here's how to perform this test safely. Next, inspect the control board for visible signs of damage. Look for burn marks, corrosion, or damaged components. The control board is the brain of your dishwasher and controls all electrical functions. Don't forget to examine the wiring harness for loose or corroded connections. Poor connections can cause intermittent power issues and prevent proper operation. For GE dishwashers manufactured after 2023, enhanced diagnostic codes and smart connectivity may provide more specific error information. If your model is Wi-Fi enabled, you can access diagnostics through the Smart HQ mobile app. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the partial power issue, it's time to consult a qualified appliance repair technician. Complex electrical problems require professional expertise and specialized tools for safe diagnosis and repair.